16 supersonic fighter jet of the Pakistan Air Force was shot down in the evening by the Indian surface-to-air missile defense system, sources told the Millennium. Also, this comes amid the Pakistan foiled attempt to target Jammu with the drones and missiles. The F-16 took off from the Sargodha Air Base in the Pakistan, a key Air Force station of the Pakistan Air Force. Also, the Indian SAM, that is the surface-to-air missile, shot down the fighter jet near the Sargodha Air Base, sources have said. F-16 is one of the mainstays of the Pakistani Air Force, which has gotten them for the Chinese and the French fighter jets. Sargodha is a frontline air base of the Pakistan and one of the most heavily defended in the country, located in the Punjab province of the country. The US-made fighter jets were delivered to Pakistan in the late 1980s, and since then they have undergone several updates. The aircraft was used by the Pakistan Air Forces after the India's Balakot airstrikes in 2019. Also, India's response to the Pulwama attack, during which an MiG-21 piloted by the Wing Commander Abhinandan shot down an F-16 in the aerial combat, a first dogfight between the two countries in over 45 years since the 1971 war. Also, this is the first time since 1971 that the hostilities between India and Pakistan have escalated over a large area. A blackout has been imposed in several areas of Rajasthan along the international border. The Sargodha Air Base has also been used by the Pakistan for attacks against India during the 1965 and 1971 wars. In the 65, the air base, the home of the American F-104 supersonic super fighter jet, has also struck by the India's Mystere aircraft by number 1 squadron based in the Adampur, Pakistan. Escalation. Also, the major development comes amid the Pakistan foiled attempt to target the Jammu with drones and missiles in an escalation of hostilities. Also, area under the Arispura, Arnia, Samp, Hiranagar in Jammu are under heavy artillery shelling. Pathankot in Punjab, which is located close to the international border, has also come under heavy artillery fire from Pakistan. Pathankot is a strategic and tactical area for India and serves as the entry point towards Jammu. It is located 30 kilometers from the international border. Meanwhile, sirens have been sounded in Chandigarh and a blackout has been enforced. Shops have also been asked to close and people have been asked to go home. A blackout has been enforced in the neighboring Mohali as well.